guys, welcome to Supreme Wealth Alliance, and I am here to share an opportunity online. By the way, I am Johnny C. Bodegas, and I'm gonna teach you how to earn dollars online. So I have this picture for you. This is one of the earnings that I have, $390. So I'm just using Facebook para kumita ng ganyan. But then right now, I'm gonna show you some proofs sa email kung paano ba talaga ako kumikita online. So first, we are here in my email, sign up at earngreatnow.com, wherein dito ako nakaka-receive ng mga taong interested on how to earn online. So as you can see, I have here new submission of contact form, and then marami pa yan. So yan, naka-date lahat. Then another one, paano ba ako nakaka-receive ng commissions? So I have notification here in my email. As you can see, this amounting $70. Then like this one. So dyan mo makikita sa email mo, marireceive mo lahat ng commissions mo. So lahat yan, commissions. Then, and right now we are here in my online account. This is the transaction history of my earnings. So as you can see, I have here a balance of $120 waiting. Then I've earned, yung na-in-cash ko na is $200. So I've received that through GCash. So but then I have here waiting $120 na pwedeng kitain. So unlike sa ibang opportunity makikita mo, hindi lang 2 cents, kundi kikita ka talaga ng hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. So how do I receive commissions? So dito, so withdraw commissions, makikita mo dito din sa online account mo. All you have to do is check all these things, then you have to click this request payout now. So after 24 to 48 hours, pare-receive mo na yung earnings mo. Depende sa'yo kung saan mo gusto i-withdraw. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa'yo kung paano ba talaga ako kumikita gamit yung Facebook. So you can add me, type in facebook.com/JohnnyCbodegas. Then dito, as you can see in my profile, I have here lahat ng sa profile ko, puro advertisement yan. So lahat ng mapapadaan dito sa profile ko, makikita nila regarding this opportunity. So ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. I keep on wall posting, then sharing the videos. So yun lang yung mga ginagawa ko. Then eventually people are coming after me na para magtanong or gusto rin kumita ng ganito. So makikita mo lahat yan, more on marketing, lahat ng laman ng Facebook profile ko. So ngayon, imbis na maglaro-laro lang ako or status lang, so why not use or maximize your Facebook profile, kasi ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng extraordinary income online. Then aside from me, I have here, they are just ordinary people who earned extraordinary income using Facebook. So ito, si Lenton Montejo, taga Davao siya. After na mag-join, he said that I never expected that I can earn home-based online. So in-invite lang siya, then na-shock siya na nakapag-earn siya ng $1,200 in his 7 weeks. Then right now, updated earnings niya is $2,740. So to think na taga Davao siya, hindi siya nag-abroad, pero he is earning thousands of dollars dito sa opportunity na to. So hindi mo na pala kailangan mag-abroad para kumita ng dollars. Even nasa probinsya ka, you can earn. Then this one, isa namang may-ari ng computer shop, but then in this opportunity, he earned almost more than $5,000. Then 12 weeks na consistent commission niya yung nare-receive niya. Then kung makita mo yung email ko kanina, sobrang maraming email, pero yung sa kanya mas maraming email notification yung nare-receive niya. Then bukod pa doon, ang latest na earnings niya ngayon is $750. So nung May 21 yan, 2012, binigay sa kanya. So a total of 3 months, $6,110 yung kinita niya na. Then bukod pa dun sa thousands of dollars na earnings niya, naka-receive pa siya ng free gadget na Galaxy Note Samsung. So ngayon, baka tinatanong mo na kung anong klaseng opportunity to. So didiretsahin na kita, it is an online network marketing, wherein alam ko na iniisip mo ngayon na ito ay isang scam. payo ko lang sa'yo, set aside mo muna yung duda mo or negative thought mo. Try mo lang tapusin tong video na to, panoorin mo lang. Then if ever, after mo mapanood, pag hindi ka talaga naniniwala, okay lang, wag kang mag-join. But then, pag interested ka, kailangan mo magmadali kasi sobrang bilis ng opportunity nito. Kasi hindi to gaya ng inaakala mo sa offline or traditional network marketing na mag-i-invite ka ng mga tao. So, magpapa-attend ka ng seminar na kung saan pag hindi ka na nakapag-invite, hindi ka nakikita. Pag naubos mo na yung kaibigan mo, hindi ka na rin kikita. So, dito, ibang-iba talaga siya kasi dito ang gagawin mo lang is share this video. Si-share mo lang tong video na to kahit saan, online man, offline, sa kaibigan mo. Yun lang yung gagawin mo dito. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-invite or umattend ng seminar para malaman na yung opportunity na to. Kaya pag nagustuhan mo to, kailangan mo na magmadali. Kasi we just started noong January 28, 2012 lang. So after 4 months of operation, since we started, over $45,000 or 2 million pesos na yung kinita ng lahat ng mga members. So today, I made this video, May 25, 2012. So if ever mapanood mo to before our grand launch, advantage sa'yo. Kasi we will have our grand launch on August 8, 2012. Ito ay worldwide grand launch. So hindi lang to pang Filipino, kundi opportunity siya worldwide. And right now, sa sobrang bilis ng pag-spread ng opportunity na to online, marami na tayong countries na na-reach. So mayroon na tayo sa USA, sa Riyadh, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, United Kingdom, Doha, and right now, we are expanding on 200 countries na worldwide. So, if ever ito, mapanood mo yung video after our grand launch, kailangan mo na talaga magmadali kasi sobrang viral na to or laganap na to worldwide. So, later on kasi, once na makita mo ulit yung video na to, makikita mo na lang lahat ng friends mo sa Facebook kasali na. And even, makikita mo to ulit, sila nag-share sa'yo sa Facebook. So, if ever, ikaw naman yung taong nag-games lang, lagi ka nag-Facebook, nagsa-status, nagla-like, or even yung nag-share ng mga videos or mga posts ng iba na hindi ka naman kumikita, then ikaw yung nagre-rent, then nagsispend ng time mo online, then habang nagsasayang ka ng oras na hindi ka naman talaga kumikita, why not try mo to para at least habang ginagawa mo, kumikita ka pa. So ngayon, I know you are interested. So paano ba talaga nangyayari to? Una, all you have to do is buy our Supreme Wealth Library. Ito yung collection ng mga ebooks, audios, video tutorials, wherein lahat yan useful. Kahit sino, mapa-estudyante ka man, businessman, or anyone na kung ano man yung ginagawa mo kasi almost more than 300 ebooks and audios, video tutorials yung meron dyan. So ngayon, i-discuss ko lang yung mga ebooks na sa tingin ko kailangan natin. So ito yung list ng Supreme Wealth Library natin para sa mga network marketers. Meron tayong MLM Power Series, MLM Survival, Instant Cash Strategies, Facebook Marketing, Google AdWords Exposed. Then para naman sa personal development, meron tayong Career Planning Made Easy, Overcome Procrastination, The Master Key System, Ace Any Job Interview, Think and Grow Rich, Become a Successful Public Speaker. Ito lahat yung list. So makikita mo rin dito lahat ng list ng mga products natin. Then bukod pa dun, lahat ng ebooks na yan, you have the resale rights wherein pwede mo siyang ibenta from $20 to $20 each. Kasi pag bibilin mo sa labas yan, bawat isa, it cost you about $10 to $20. Di ba nga, sabi, bibilhin natin yung Supreme Wealth Library. So, sa tingin mo, magkano kaya yung Supreme Wealth Library natin? So, kung ito total natin lahat ng worth nun, it cost us $1,500. But then, dahil sa opportunity na to, hindi ka magbabayad ng $1,500. All you have to do is pay only $55 one time lang. So, bakit one time? Kasi every time na ina-update natin yung library, nadadagdagan at nadadagdagan yan. Pero hindi ka na magbabayad ng additional 2,500 pag nasa peso naman. Then bukod pa doon, once you have purchased the Supreme Wealth Library, magkakaroon ka pa ng sariling website na nakapangalan sa'yo. Then, meron kang business presentation, meron kang sign-up form. Then, lahat ng kailangan mo, yung online account na pinakita ko sa'yo kanina, magkakaroon ka rin ng ganun. So, paano ka ba talaga kikita dito? So, we are using a system. So, lahat tayo gumagamit tayo ng sistema. Kahit sa government or sa private, sa employment system, lahat tayo gumagamit ng sistema para magkaroon tayo ng tamang process doon sa kung paano tayo kikita. So, right now, i-discuss ko lang yung difference ng employment system doon sa pay plan system natin. So, pag employment system ba, ano bang meron? So, dito sa employment system, you are working 8 hours. So, may time in ka, may time out. Then, you will have your fixed income. So, sisweldo ka, 15-30. Then, tataas lang yan pag na-promote ka. Pero pag hindi tataas yung kikitain mo. Then, ang masaklap pa dun, pag late or absent ka, kakaltasan yung fixed income mo. And then, ito yung malupit, may boss ka, na yun yung muuto sa'yo lagi, na para gawin mo, or nagbabantay sa'yo lagi. Then what about the pay plan system natin? Kinagandahan kasi ng pay plan system natin, hindi siya makakasagabal dun sa ginagawa mo. Student ka man, businessman, or empleyado ka man, kasi you can work anytime. Then plus, you can earn extraordinary on top of your monthly salary. Then bukod pa dun, you can work at home online. Wala ka ring boss, so ikaw yung boss sa sarili mo. Then kagandahan dito, hindi lang peso, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, kikita ka ng dollars. Then, ang kagandahan dito, no more preparations. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-travel para pumunta ng office kasi kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede mo na siyang gawin. Then, ang kagandahan dito, hindi mo na kailangan hintayin ng 15:30 para kumita ka kasi payout directly dun sa bank account mo or anything, sa Smart Money, GCash, Western Union, M. Louvillier, or LBC padala. Kahit saan mo gusto, makukuha mo na kagad yung income mo. So, ano ba talaga yung sistema ginagamit natin? It is a perfect pay plan system kasi dalawang sistema yung ginagamit natin. It is the 2x2 matrix, fastest earning potential, and then power infinity 3-up system or the largest infinity potential. So, I will discuss that one by one. So, first, yung $55 na binili mo ng Supreme Wealth Library kanina, mahahati yan. Yung $5 dyan mapupunta sa admin. Then yung $20 mapupunta dun sa sistema nating Infinity Pass Up. Then yung $30 mapupunta dun sa 2x2 matrix natin. So first, we will discuss the pay plan number 1, 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. So paano ba yan? So in this system, kailangan mo lang mapunuan yung slots na yan. So ibig sabihin, kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng 6 na katao din na bibili nung Supreme Wealth Library natin. Then after that, kikita ka na ng $70 or $90 kada cycle mo. Then after that, magkakaroon ka ng new matrix wherein hindi ka na magbabayad uli ng $55. Next, I will explain kung paano mo mapupunuan yung 6 slots na yan in different ways. So here, we have a teamwork wherein ikaw to uli, then you have your matrix, then kukuha ka lang ng dalawa. Then yung dalawa mo, dahil nga teamwork to, kukuha lang din ng tigda-dalawa. And that way, ikaw mismo, nag-cycle ka na. So you have your own another matrix. Then if ever, yung dalawa na to, kumuha din ng tigda-dalawa, ito naman, magsa-cycle naman ngayon. So siya mismo, magfa-follow siya dun sa new matrix mo. The next, yung dalawang to naman, kumuha rin ng tigda-dalawa, then ito, magsa-cycle naman uli siya. So mapupunta siya dun, magkakaroon siya uli ng another slot dun. So in your new matrix, kailangan mo na lang 4 para mag-cycle ka uli or para kumita ka ng $70 uli. So nakikita mo doon, nagtutulungan kayo as a teamwork. The next, another scenario, what if isa lang yung mapasali mo? Anong mangyayari? So this is you, mayroon kang nakuha, sobrang sipag niya. So mas nauna siya sa'yo na nakapuno ng cycle. So siya mismo, nag-earn ng $70 dyan. So siya ngayon, dahil ikaw hindi ka pa nagsacycle, lilipat siya dun sa kabila mo. Dahil sa sobrang sipag niya, kumuha uli siya ng dalawa. In that way, napuno na yung 6 slots mo. So ikaw ngayon, nag-cycle ka na rin. Then siya, dinagdagan niya uli ng 4. So siya, nag-cycle uli. Kumita uli siya ng $70. So ganun kasimple yung sistema natin dito sa Pay Plan 1 system natin. Next, what about the Pay Plan 2 system or the Infinity 3-up Pass Up? Dito, 100% payout. So yung $20 mo kanina na binayad, ipapasa-pasa nyo lang to dito sa Infinity Pass app. So, I will explain. So, first, direct referrals. Ito pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung direct referral o yung mga napapasali mo. Ito yung upline mo or ito yung nagpasali sa'yo. Diba? So, sa first direct referral mo, yung $20 na yan, mapupunta sa'yo. Then, yung second na mapapasali mo, yung $20 na yan, ipapasa mo dun sa upline mo or yung nagpasali sa'yo. Then, yung third, ipapasa mo uli dun sa upline mo. Then, yung fourth, sa'yo naman mapupunta yung $20. Then, yung fifth, sa'yo uli. Then, yung sixth, sa'yo uli. But then, yung pang 7th na marirefer mo, ipapasa mo yun dun sa upline mo uli. And the good thing, kasi yung pang 8 onwards na mapapasali mo, lahat na yan, yung $20 nila, ipapasa sa'yo. The most exciting part in this system, kasi once you receive pass up na. So, di ba kanina, you have passed up your 2nd, 3rd, and 7th direct referrals. So, ikaw din, yung napasali mo na pang 1st, pang 4th, 5th, 6th, saka 8 onwards, lahat din sila magpapasa ng 2nd, 3rd, at 7th nila sa'yo. So, lahat yan, ipapasa nila sa'yo yung mga $20 na yan. In summary of our perfect pay plan system, so lahat ng 1st, 4th, 5th, and 6th na direct referral mo, lahat sila magpapasa ng tigta-tatlo sa'yo. Then, lahat ng ipapasa nila sa'yo is magiging 12 people. So, lahat naman ng 12 people na yon magpapasa din ng tigta-tatlo sa'yo. So, magiging 36 people na. Yung 36 people na yun, magpapasa uli ng tigta-tatlo. Then, magiging 108 people na sila, times 3 mo uli. Magiging 324 people na magpapasa sa'yo. So, as you can see in this system, ang napasali mo lang talaga is yung 1st, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So, the rest, hindi na ikaw yung nagpasali niyan, kundi pinasa na lang yung mga $20 nila sa'yo. So, total na earnings mo or yung pinasa sa'yo is 12 plus 36 plus 108 plus 324 is equals 480 times $20 mo lahat yan. So, ang kikitain mo is $9,600 or 432,000 pesos yung naghihintay sa'yo dito sa perfect pay plan system natin. So, if ever ikaw naman yung taong may pera sa wallet mo or sa bangko, kailangan mo na umaksyon kagad ngayon kasi almost every day marami nang sumasali dito to take advantage of this opportunity. So, kailangan mo na magmadali to secure your position kasi dito, kahit 6 lang yung mapapasali mo, ang minimum mong kikitain is $150. Bawi ka na, tumubo pa or na-triple pa yung investment mo. And one more thing, in my group, I give support and ideas na kahit taga saan pa man yan or di mo kakilala, dahil sa mga marketing strategies natin, an advertisement, mapapasali mo sila. Dahil sa mga social medias na to. So, dito my friends, sa sobrang dali lang ito kasi all you have to do is share this video. Sabihin natin sa Facebook, you have 1,000 friends. Then, kahit 20 people lang yung sumali sa'yo, ang minimum mong kikitain is $500. Then, yung $500 na yan, sa labas, kinikita niyan more than a month. Pero dito, pwede mo kitain yan. Depende sa'yo kung gaano ka kadalas or kung gaano ka kasipag mag-share ng opportunity na to. So, my friend, don't ever doubt if ever na kung scam to or hindi totoo, let me advise you na pagdudahan mo yung duda mo. Then, harapin mo yung malaki mong takot na if ever iniisip mo hindi ka yayaman, what if yumaman ka? And if ever sa tingin mo hindi ka kikita, what if kumita ka? Diba? So, you have to think positive always. Then, if ever ikaw naman yung taong walang pera, pero you are interested, all you have to do is make a way, ASAP. Then don't forget to say thank you dun sa taong nag-share ng video na to kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi mo to mapapanood. Then sabihin na natin, after 1 to 2 years of hard work in a smarter way, ano kaya sa tingin mo yung kinikita mo na dito? Then I would like to share this to you, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So dito, it is a promise wherein you have the right to become successful. So, regardless kung ano man yung past mo, regardless kung ano man yung present mo ngayon, you have the right to become successful. All you have to do is act on it. And again, I'm not here to convince or force you to join. All I'm doing is sharing the opportunity. Then if you are interested, you have to secure your slot ASAP. Kasi we implement first come first serve dito sa opportunity na to. Then you know what? You'll never know unless you try this. So don't hoard. $55 or 2,500 lang yan. Pera lang yan na pwede mo rin kitain next week, next month, or next year. But then, pag once yung time na yung nasayang mo, hindi mo na maibabalik yan. So, try to take risk. Kasi ako mismo, I take risk once I joined here, and right now, I'm reaping the harvest. Then, if you are interested to join, I'll show you the process. So, first, go to www.earngreatnow.com. So we are here in www.earngreatnow.com. All you have to do is click join now. So this is the process how to join. First step to join, fill up the sign up form. So dito sa referrer, balikan mo yung video na to kung saan mo siya nakita or yung link na yon kung sino yung nag-share sa'yo. And if ever, kung wala ako yung nag-share sa'yo, lagay mo dito Johnny Bodegas. Then if ever naman, ibang tao na yung nag-share sa'yo nitong video, so siya yung ilalagay mo dyan. Then yung name mo, lagay mo dito yung name. The next, yung address mo. For me, I live in Taguig. Then dito sa Facebook profile link, kukunin mo lang yung link ng profile mo. Then sa username, ikaw na bahala. Then sa email, lagay mo yung email mo. Then contact number. Then dito sa payment option, ano yung choices mo na magpapadala ka ng payment mo? BDO, GCash, MLWillier, BPI Family, or Western Union. So check mo lang yan. Then, kailan ka magjo-join or kailan mo ipapadala yung payment. Today, and if ever wala naman dito sa choices, please specify dito. Then dito, list down at least 20 people na sa tingin mo gusto rin kumita ng dollars online. Then, click submit. So, after clicking submit, please proceed to the second step to validate your application. So, ano ba yung second step natin? Meron tayo dito sa baba. Yun, click mo lang yung payment option. Dito sa payment options, you can choose to any of these in your own convenience. So, nandyan na lahat, yung details, bank accounts. So, mamimili ka na lang dyan. Then, after that, so reminder lang, after sending the payment, call or text me to validate your transaction and process your application. So, ito yung text format, name, payment option, then date kung kailan mo pinadala. Then, send mo lang sa numbers na to. So, my friend, I will just give to you my last message. First, trust God, wherein He is now answering your prayer, that you are here right now, spotting the right opportunity. So all you have to do is act on it or join ka na kagad dito. Then second, trust yourself na kaya mo rin kumita kagaya namin. Or baka nga, masobrahan mo pa yung kinikita namin dito. Then third, trust Wow Ultimate na ito yung medium para ma-bless ka. Or ito yung medium na para kumita ka. So right now kasi sa SWS report, almost 14 million Filipinos ang walang trabaho. So it is an opportunity na makapagbibigay sa'yo na hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming requirements para magkaroon ka ng income. Then last, trust us, your team, na kami yung magiging business partners mo sa opportunity na to, na hindi kami yung taong isa-scam ka or sisirain namin yung pangalan namin, or mismo ako, sisirain ko yung pangalan ko for just 2,500 pesos na para takbuhin ko yung pera. So in this business, it's just a matter of trust. Then if you trust me, then join us. But then if you don't have the trust, maibibigay mo sa akin, okay lang din. Kasi opinion mo yan, then I respect that. And thank you sa time mo kasi pinanood mo to hanggang dito sa dulo. And I know you are the person na interested at open-minded para sa ganitong opportunity. So I will leave the decision to you. Ikaw nang bahala mag-decide. So to God be the glory, and God bless to you. So if ever you have questions and clarification about this opportunity, you can contact me. Ito yung numbers ko. So you can text or call me in that numbers.